It was very good. We had very good time, and it's very good moment when we see people dancing and getting crazy on our music. So it was very good. Yeah, good. Yeah, really good time, yo. Yeah. We made a tour in a Balkan area for something like 5 years. So we already played like something 10 or more times in Slovenia. So, but it's the first time in Kamnik, and we really enjoyed this Kamfest festival.
Sur le plancher, poser tes pieds émergés. C'est pas évident si t'es pas motivé. Tu ne pas y aller, ça c'est ta tête. Si tu ne manges pas, tu sais que tu vas sauver. Mais un envie d'aller kiffer.
So what do you think of the whole festival? Is it good program and everything?
Yes, it's a very amazing place. The only bad point is that we have to carry all equipment on 1 kilometer stair, and this is not good. But it's great festival.
Mi smo z Joki začeli sodelovati nekje leta 2006, ko smo se prvič srečali na naši evropski turneji v Parizu, Franciji. V naši 11-letni zgodovini smo bili prvič v Kamniku, sploh glede na to, da smo bili res ne samo po celi Sloveniji, po celi Evropi, tudi medcelinsko smo se že uveljavljali. Smo zelo veseli, da smo danes prvič tukaj, pa čudovit ambient, čudovita publika in sploh vse pohvale Kamfestu.
We love all the friends from Treborje, from Ljubljana, from Berince, from everywhere in Slovenia. We love you. Keep on going. Fight the power. Yeah! Stari, okay?
Hodite še na Kamfest pa podpirite tukajšnjo kulturo. Super je.